Hey, it's Michael with Trellus, and today we're going to be going through our power and parallel dialer integration into Apollo. So on my screen here, this is just our home page. What you're going to want to do is navigate to your left-hand side and go down to your tasks. You'll see this will look like your ordinary tasks page, except up here, you will see there's a button for parallel dial. So clicking that will launch Trellus. Now, what it's doing right here is it is taking all of your leads that are on your tasks page here, and it is moving it into the dialer. You can see if you click on a lead here, it'll populate it into your window for Apollo as well. Now, what we're looking at here for dialable versus filtered, your dialable leads are the ones that are immediately available to you. The system will automatically filter out certain ones based on a number of criteria, which it will tell you. So, like for example, this one says outside calling hours for time zone or no phone numbers listed. You can always adjust these settings in here. For the time zone specific one, this button up here will let you toggle that, and you can also select your state, your country, whatever time zone you want to be in. And that usually does filter out a lot of these leads here. Now, in order to launch your actual dialing system here, we'll go back to our dialable leads. This green button will initiate the sequence. So we'll press that. You can see it's dialing Zach right now. We'll go ahead and pause that. Over to the right of that, you can see your 1X all the way through 5X. The 1X is your power dialer. It will only call one person at a time. Anything beyond that, your 2X to 5X is going to be your parallel dialer. The button to the right of that are your voicemail drops. So you can see I have two tests in here, but you can also go in and record your own with this mic button here. In order to set up auto voicemail leaving, you can select one. And when you see that it is populated above the button here, that's how you know that it is going to automatically leave those for you. Another aspect that is quite interesting here is we have our best number filter right here. Essentially what this does is it takes an aggregate data set and then uses the number that will have the highest connect rate for whoever you're going to be calling. And it does vary based on whatever contact you're calling. So think about it like geographic area, spam filters that have popped up in the past, things like that. This system will automatically do it for you so you don't have to manually toggle. You can, of course, choose your numbers as you want, do some auto rotating or closest to the contact if that's what you'd like to do. Additionally, you can go down here. This is your keypad. If you run into an auto message like press 0 for operator, this is where you would do that. The system will automatically populate notes for you after each call with AI giving you a summary, some next steps, feedback if you even like that. But you can also log your own notes here. So down at the bottom, click your notes, and then you can type in whatever you'd like, and it will automatically add that into the post-call summary, which will all be uploaded into Apollo after each call. Much beyond that, these are just your settings, your microphone, your output devices here, and then if you want to make one-off dials, you can always type the number in here and then immediately dial these without having to consult your list. So from a high-level view, that is how our dialer system integrates into Apollo. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. We're happy to help with whatever you need, and we look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.